Psalm 85 reminds us of God's unfailing mercy and faithfulness. Lord, thou hast been favorable unto thy land, thou hast brought back the captivity of Jacob. He forgives our sins, turns his anger away, and invites us to return to him for salvation. Wilt thou not revive us again, that thy people may rejoice in thee? God speaks peace to those who seek him. Mercy and truth meet, righteousness and peace embrace. Surely his salvation is nigh them that fear him, that glory may dwell in our land. Let us walk in his steps and trust in his promises.